long, hot day, so I'm not going to blame anybody for skipping the last session.
Is it just 2 cars?
No, there's more. There's,
oh, okay.
There's somewhere between 12 and 15 cars back there.
Oh, okay.
They also parked farther back to be more in the shade.
Oh.
So the first lap here is under yellow flag, which is for caution, not allowed to pass. We got to get some heat in the tires. Also like to go a little bit slow just to let the cars out, so that we don't catch the last people too quick. So if we come out too fast and catch the guys that are still coming out of the track on the way around. Because that looks like that's about the last car that pulled that back there. We're still warming up. This is stretching. Alright. Now we can start going.
that a few times today.
He was trying real hard to stay in front of us.
Yes.
Sometimes the big cars get a little upset when the little car goes by them. Less than half the horsepower of a Corvette. Yeah, it's a straight. Just wait till the corners.
131.3.
She says when you don't do what she says and you slow down.
Next left.
That's why sometimes she'll sound like a Le Mans coach. Keep pushing, keep pushing.
Breathe. That'd be my part.
Yeah.
Above average. 120.81.
Yeah, those are 100-foot markers.
So by one, you're supposed to be turning?
Well, it depends on the corner of the car. You don't turn until after the end of the one.
Next left.
We're braking here, and we're going to turn here at the end of the stripes. Now we're full throttle.
Keep pushing.
Here we're going to brake just after the 2. Turn in, we'll clip the apex. Get a little cheeky with the curb. This one we're going to brake after the 1. St. Peter on the way through the pearly grades.
Keep pushing.
We're full throttle, that's all we got.
Next at Apex earlier. Keep pushing. 121.49.
Wish I had a video from in
The
here.
robot lady's taking video.
Can you send it to me?
Yeah, I'll put it on YouTube.
Okay.
Apex earlier.
Good. Tires are getting hot. Paid for the whole track, we're gonna use the whole track.
Right. Don't be wasteful. Daughter's gotta go to bed like that. Husband keeps saying he's gonna modify it, race it, and I'm like, yeah, shut up.
Yeah.
She's like, no.
Apex earlier. Above average.